known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So I don't want your number. I don't wanna give you mine. I don't wanna get you the I don't want no stuff.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and the only Mimi. If you're new here, make sure you click that red subscribe button because once I hit 2K, I will be doing a big giveaway. So today's video is about revamping old wigs. Right here is my mom's old wig. I made this for her about a year or two ago and it's still holding up really good. This is when I first started my hair business, so all the hair and wigs that I sell is from my business and the link will be down below. So right now I'm just trying to perfect that part. As you see, that part is kind of wonky, and yeah, I don't think we bleached the knots on this. I think we just added some makeup, but it's still giving real scalp tease. So yeah, just keep on watching and see what I do. So it's really helpful to use a rat tail comb and a spray bottle with water in it, just because so you don't break your lace or anything like that. The water helps grab and grip onto the hair that you want out. So yeah. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to be using my secret weapon, the Silk Elements, I believe that's what it's called, serum, and it really helps to get the hair nice and silk and sleek and straight. So I'm putting this on before I flat iron the hair, and then I'm going to be taking a brush to work that through the hair more. I just say Silk Elements, I meant to say Bio Silk. Girl, I'm tripping. So right here, I'm going to be using a flat iron that I sell on my website. You can get these in different colors on my website. The link is always in the description box. And this goes up to 480 degrees, okay? So I'm just going to be using it, and I'm putting it on 390 degrees. Even though this hair is already kind of silky and straight, it doesn't really need it. I just want to make sure the products work in with each other and everything is just nice and silky and straight. So right now I'm really focusing on like the top part so that there's no real like a hump right there. If you guys see, it was like a hump or whatnot. I don't know what my mom be doing to her wigs, but they don't be laying. So yeah, you guys, so here this is the hair all pressed out and straightened out, and it's really giving me some natural hair tease. Like when you straighten your natural hair, it was very soft and silky and it was flowy. I was just shaking it, girl. So yeah, I'm brushing it again to make sure everything lays how I need it to lay. All hairs are in position. So yeah, you guys see like the little hump right there. I'm going to show y'all how to fix that, but I wanted to cut the hair a little bit because if it was 18 inches and it was laying at like a weird awkward length, so I wanted everything to be the same in type of blunt cut, but not really. I just wanted it to look a little bit natural for my mom. No, I am not the best cutter. I just do what works for me and my mom's wigs and stuff. So yeah, just don't mind me if it makes you feel uncomfortable or makes you cringe. I don't know what to tell you, sis. I never said I was a professional. Just doing what I do. So here I'm just trying to perfect it a little bit more and cut anything that is not equal, trying to make everything real even and nice. So here's me in the front. I am going to give the hair a little bit of layers in the front, not heavy layers, light layers, because my mom doesn't like a lot of hair in her face. So I'm trying to hook her up, you know, I'm fine. So as you can see, I have a lot of secret weapons. So to make everything nice and sleeked and down, I'm using some mousse. Literally you can use any mousse. I got this mousse from Marshall's, so that's what I'm using around the part area to make everything slick down. I'm just using my hands at first to kind of smooth down any flyaways and any humps and lumps, and really try to get that natural type of feel, because we do natural wigs looking over here. We don't do them syntheticas. We don't do that. So I'm just really trying to hook my mom up, hooking the hairline up so that it looks real natural. And yeah. Yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Mwah. Enjoy.